Hey guys, it's Malik back with another video, and today is going to be a good one. I'll be installing my front pipe and overpipe, so let's get into it. This isn't going to be a how-to. Okay, so I got the car jacked up, and now to go ahead and open up the goods. We'll go ahead and start with the small box first. Then I got these from PLM. This is their front pipe as well as their overpipe. I'll put the links in the description. Shout out to PLM. The gaskets, the bolt. Went ahead and they put in a jet tag. And here we have the overpipe. I'll keep it in the plastic for now until I put on my gloves, but nice wells. Definitely a lot bigger than stock, and you'll see when I take out the stock one. Let's put this to the side. More hardware. Went ahead and doing a license plate. Again, shout out to PLM. Some decals. And then again, nice wells on the front pipe. So now I'm going to take this off, and then tucked up in here is the overpipe. So I'll take this off so it'll be easier to get to. So here we go. Okay, so you will need a 14 as well as a, for focuses, 13. So I got my 14 and 13, as well as, it shouldn't be too bad.
I lied.
The winters aren't too bad where they like salt the roads all the time, so the boat shouldn't be that hard to take out.
I lied.
But you know, better safe than sorry. Anything to make the job easier. So I went ahead and got the WD-40, the penetrative one, and I'll go ahead and spray that on my bolts and let them soak, and it should be easy to come off. Probably like 30 minutes. The bolts were worse than I thought they would be. You can see here. Focus. There we go. Just what I was dealing with. I mean, it is a 2020, and I guess I did, well, I've gone through a few winters, but what's coming out versus what's going in. You see, we eliminate focus, eliminate that, and then it's a lot smaller. And the piping is a little bit bigger, so it'll flow better. But what's going out and what's going in. Okay, so I went ahead and took off the skid plate as well as the like the felt cover. It gives you so much room after you take those off to get to the bolts. So I took off the front pipe, and what I am currently stuck on right now is trying to get the bolts off from the header to the overpipe. Those are the ones that's giving me so much problems right now. Yeah. So we got the overpipe and the gasket, which love that they send replacements because the replacing, yeah, front pipe out, overpipe coming, put the nice little headers and my drain valve that I put in. Check back in when I get the overpipe out.
20 minutes later.
Okay, finally got it out. I had to actually take the heat shield off in order for me to sneak it over the strut bar. But it's out now. Here's the culprit of all my issues. Again, I had to take the heat shield off so I could get to it. Again, here's the new one. Much bigger than the outgoing one. Okay, so getting it in was much easier. Reused the factory. Did use the gasket that they sent factory, and then from here back, gonna use their hardware. So let me try and see if I can somehow put this on a stand. Probably won't fit underneath, but try to see so I can do a time lapse. Okay, so I have it marked up. It's not tightened all the way, but I have it in. I have the front pipe as well as the overpipe. Okay, so I got all the bolts tightened, and now it's time to put back the panel, lower it, and we'll get a start to see how it sounds. Okay, got everything put back. Got this as well as the skid plate tightened up, and then now time to lower it, and let's get a first start. thank you for watching today's video. If you like what you saw, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
They check it to 10.